Hey everybody. Say, when we're backpacking up in the woods, at nighttime I like to have a lot of light around the campsite because I think it makes the camp feel a little more comfortable. So I want to show you a couple of lanterns that we use, and there's a lot of good lanterns on the market, but I just want to show you what we use at nighttime up in the woods. The first one is this little lantern right here. This is a solar lantern, and this lantern weighs exactly 8 ounces. The next one is this little lantern right here. This is a little candle lantern, and this lantern weighs exactly 6 ounces with a candle in it. This lantern has 6 LED lights in it. It has a low and a high. If you can see right now, if you can see the little red light in it, it's charging. It has a sealed up lithium rechargeable batteries in it so that you don't have to deal with the batteries and put them in your solar charger, and it takes away from the other batteries that you need. It's got a wind crank on it. In case it goes down, you can crank it. Now the manufacturer says that you can go 6 hours on a charge, but that's not true. About 2.5 hours is what we'll get out of this thing before it starts going dim, and then you have to start cranking it. But it works real well for us. Now this is a little candle lantern. It's pretty nice just because it's so small, and like I say, it weighs 6 ounces. Now the candle lantern takes a candle in there that lasts 9 hours, and it has a little viewing point here that you can see exactly how much time you got left on your candle. It actually has a spring in there that pushes the candle up, and it is a nice little heat source. You could actually bring it into your tent and maybe get some warmth out of it. You can see how discolored the top is, so it does actually throw out heat. You could actually put your hands up there and get some heat out of it. And they also, they make a lot of accessories for this thing. Little shields, so you can get more light out of them. So it's a pretty nice little lantern. We're going to wait until tonight, and we're going to fire up the fire pit here for the first time. And we're going to light both these up and kind of place them around. And so hopefully you can see what type of light they put out. And we've never filmed at nighttime, so hopefully that works out. Well, it's pretty dark out here, guys, and our fire pit's working really good. So I'm going to light up the candle lantern first. It's kind of tricky lighting these up. You got to let the lens all the way down so the top of it almost touches the top of the wick. And then just get your lighter up in there. And then once it's going, you simply pull it all the way up. And as you can see, it puts off some pretty good light. I mean, it's a candle lantern. So I'll set this one over here. And then the next one is the solar lantern. I'll turn it on. The first switch is low, and the second switch is high. And as you can see, it actually puts out a lot of light too. Now if you see purple streamers, for some reason the camera's doing that with the LED lighting for some reason. But we'll set that over here. As you can see, they both put out pretty good light. The solar lantern actually puts out a little more light, more of a bluish light because of the LCD lights. But the candle does real good. And it is actually putting off some heat. It's more of a subtle light. But you have both of these set up around your campsite. It kind of lights up the campsite. So there you have it, guys. You make up your choice. Solar versus candle lantern. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.